morning. I am Mr. Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic on design thinking on geological consideration of dam. In design thinking, there are 5 stages. First one is the empathize stage. Empathize is nothing but understanding the problem is called as the empathize. Next one is the define. Define is nothing but defining the problem is called as the define stage. Next one is the ideate. Ideate is nothing but providing the solution to the problem is called as ideate. Next one is the prototype. Prototype is nothing but creating a model is called as the prototype. Next one is the final stage, that is the testing stage. Testing stage is nothing but we are going to test whether the provided solution is appropriate to the problem or not is called as the testing stage. These are all the 5 stages in design thinking. In this video, we are going to discuss about the geological considerations of the dam. This dam is constructed majorly to store the water is called as the dam. In geological consideration of dam, first one is the empathize stage. Understanding the need of the people is called as the empathize stage. While constructing a dam, we are going to empathize. That is, we are going to understand what is the purpose of the dam, why we are constructing a dam, what is the need of the dam, where we are going to construct a dam. These are the questions that we have to understand. The type of the dam we are going to construct, what is the need of the dam that we are going to construct. These are the things that we have to understand by empathizing stage. In this geological consideration of a dam, we are going to understand the geological structures of the soil surface, rock surface, what type of rock we are going to use, what type of soil that is present in the ground layer, how many tons of water that is going to be stored in the dam. These are all the things that we have to understand in the empathize stage. Next one is the defining stage. Defining stage is nothing but first one we understood the need of the people. Next we are going to define the stage. Defining is nothing but the suitable rock surface, what type of rock is provided, what type of material we are going to use, what type of dam is going to be constructed, what is the whether the rock is affected by any joints or it has any fractures or it has any folds. These type of questions should be clarified in the defining stage. How to define the problem is called as the defining stage. Next one is providing appropriate idea to the problem is called as the ideate. That is, in this geological consideration, we are going to provide a rock surface that has a safe, stable and durability. These are all the 3 things that we are going to provide in the geological consideration of a dam. That is safety. While constructing a dam, it should be safe enough. It should be safe enough to the surrounding people. It should protect all the water surface. It should have a longer lifespan is called as the durability. These are all the ideate part. Next one is the prototype. Prototype is nothing but we are going to give a model to the dam that we have designed is called as the prototype. Next one is the final stage. that is the testing stage. Testing stage is nothing but with using the prototype, we are going to test the prototype with applying some, or we are going to give some water, and we are going to uh, test the prototype whether the prototype is stable, whether the prototype is safe, stable, and it has a longer duration is called as the testing stage. These are all the 5 stages that are present in the design thinking. First one is empathize. Empathize is nothing but understanding the problem. Next one is first one is understanding first one is empathize. Next one is defining the problem. Next one is ideate, providing appropriate solution. Next one is prototype. The prototype is going to be model that we have done. Next one is the final stage, that is the testing of our project is called as the testing. These are the 5 stages that comes under the design thinking